Thank you for visiting Luscombe Motors for the walk around video of this really nicely spec'd Kia Niro hybrid. Very nice looking car, great levels of specification, really great looks as well, styled on the exterior by these really sporty looking 18-inch alloy wheels. Nice design of the LED headlight cluster. You will notice that the car does have front parking sensors as well. Low mileage on the clock for its age, just a touch under 15,000. The current mileage does stand at 14,993 miles. It is also complemented by a Kia service history. The first two services have been done by a Kia outlet. Obviously the car will carry the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. So there is also rear parking sensors, rear privacy glass. There is also a rear view camera as well, so it makes parking the car, quite a large car, very easy. It's got those nice chrome door handles, the chrome trim on the top, running on the tops of the windows, and the side body mouldings that add to the exterior styling. So take a look in the boot. You can see that the parcel shelf is present. Additional stowage underneath. So then we have this very luxurious plush black leather interior. You can see it's got that folding centre rear armrest if there was only, for example, 2 passengers in the back, just to add to the comfort levels. And there is also a heated seat function in the back as well. It's part of this great level of specification. Obviously window and mirror adjustments, but there's also memory settings as well for the driver's seat. You can set 2 settings there. Automatic transmission. Let's just take a quick seat in the car. Fabulous multimedia screen. Just mute the radio there. So you've got your climate functionality, all the satellite navigation. There's a USB outlet, obviously your auto, and then you've got your seat functionality in terms of the climate settings and the heated settings and the heated front steering wheel rather. And then we'll just pull that back to take a look at the sunroof in the car as well. So prior to the car, or the new owner taking delivery of the car, Luscombe Suzuki will complete a service and an MOT on the vehicle, so you can drive away with the complete peace of mind that the car has been fully prepared by our team of factory trained technicians. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.